Are you ready to elevate your coffee experience? Dive into the wonderful world of coffee milkshakes. Start with 2 cups of steaming, freshly brewed coffee, but let it cool down first. No one wants a watery mess. Next, scoop out 2 generous dollops of rich, creamy vanilla ice cream. Indulgence is the name of the game, and it's all about enjoying every bite. Add a splash of milk to create that dreamy, smooth texture. Now for the exciting twist, stir in a tablespoon of decadent chocolate syrup. This simple touch will transform your milkshake from good to absolutely amazing. Blend it all together until it's silky and smooth. The inviting aroma will transport you to your favorite coffee shop. Want to impress your friends? Top your masterpiece with a fluffy cloud of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup cascading down, and a sprinkle of cocoa powder for that finishing touch. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Gather your ingredients and let's whip up this delicious treat. This coffee milkshake isn't just a drink, it's a delightful adventure. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and keep the love for coffee alive. Here's to finding a new favorite. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.